In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your Instagram profile picture from the expansion. So let's just go and enter Instagram and click on our profile. If we click on the three dots or three lines at the top right corner and scroll down to the bottom, here under accounts privacy, you can just go and click on it. And normally you will find an option called allow profile picture expansion. So if it's on, just turn it off. An example, of course, it's not the option that I just turned off, but for you, if it's on, just go and turn it off. And that will definitely let it not or lock your Instagram profile picture. But as you can see, I do not have it. So what is the problem here? So of course, it's not available on all the Instagram's accounts yet. It's available on some accounts and some are not available on it yet. So what can you do as an alternative if it's not available for you? So of course, for you, you can just keep trying to make an update regularly, and sometime at some moment it will be added, and you will find this here under the account privacy settings. So for your example, if you still want to lock it and you don't have the option, you can just try, for example, to use a sticker or maybe add some blur effects as your profile picture, which will help you a lot in doing so. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.